is up, y'all? It's your girl Jessie Dior, and welcome back to my mub channel.
I want that nigga, bitch, I want racks. Okay. I'm in this stupid bitch dropping packs. Let these bitch think they all that. It's cool, I'm lit, I'm rich, say less.
It's been a minute since I've done a YouTube video, so please excuse me if I'm like or like dry or something. Look, I'm coming back to my YouTube. Today I'm gonna be putting on a wig. I'm gonna be putting on a 13x6 lace frontal wig. It is blue and black. It's a 30-inch, and this is from another new company. Their name is Cheetah Beauty. I did a promotion video. Okay, I was a sponsor for them once upon a time. No, they sponsored my video for me. Ever since that sponsorship, that wig was bomb, baby. One thing about it, I do not lie about my reviews. That curly wig I had was so good to the point where I'm like, dang, I need to buy my own wig from them and check them out. And that's what I did. So this time, this is not a sponsor. They did not send me out a wig. They probably don't even remember me because that was like years ago. And I used a different email too. So they probably don't even know who I am. Probably don't even know I'm making this video. They might see it though. If y'all see it, we can work together again. I'm a customer now. Let me show y'all here. This is the wig. It looks like I'm gonna need to pluck, but I don't pluck. I mean, I do pluck, but I don't. I just don't feel like it. I don't want to. Did not do nothing to it. This is air dried. I just washed it last night. I came back home from work. I'm fresh off of work. That's why my hair look crazy. So yeah, we finna put this on. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with y'all friends. Yeah, let's get into the video.
Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it, that she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? about her style? I'm out of time. She's out the door. I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about her smile? Oh, what about her style? I'm out of time. She's out the door. I gotta go for mine. I think I'll say yeah. Excuse me, miss. Oh yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. So you're trying to leave. Miss, I said I dance with you. How I love you, keep you here with me, yo baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow was ours. You say you don't really dance. Don't worry about it, we just one two step. Now with the music is moving too fast. Grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. So you're trying to leave. How I love you, keep you here with me, yo baby. I think I'll say yeah. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. I saw you from across the room. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. So you're trying to leave. How I love you, keep you here with me, yo baby. I wanna be where you are. Ain't nothing wrong with dancing. Baby, it's so romantic. Baby, I can be where you are. So many things I wanna tell you. I think that I should start by saying, yeah. I gotta give her game proper. Spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah. You're tryna leave. Oh. How I love to keep you here with me, you baby. Everybody just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if you shorty's in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand. Hope you make her understand. Y'all will leave your hands like this. Y'all make it bounce like this. She want to, man. Tell me, fellas, have you seen her? It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper. Spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about her smile? Or what about her style? I'm out of time. She's out the door. I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about her smile? Or what about her style? I'm out of time. She's out the door. I gotta go for mine. I think I'll say yeah. Excuse me, miss. Oh yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. So you're trying to leave. Miss, I said I dance with you. How I love you, keep you here with me, yo baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow was ours. You say you don't really dance. Don't worry about it, we just one two step. Now with the music is moving too fast. Grab my hand a little tighter.
Yeah, that's it for this video. If y'all want a better look at this hair, you want more information on this hair, you want the link to this hair, you have to watch my other video. Yes, I know, okay, I'm bogus for this. I know I am a little bit. But look, y'all, I need y'all to watch the hair review. At least watch that video, please. Please at least watch it and like it, okay? Just support me. Thank y'all for watching. Matter of fact, thank y'all for clicking on this video. Please hit that comment, like, and subscribe button, and hit that share button and share with all y'all friends. Once again, my name is Jessie Dior, and I'm out this. Cute outro.